Every great design begins with a moment, a spark you feel before you even open your tools. For me, this artwork started with a simple thought. What if I could blend chaos and beauty into one story? I wanted something bold, emotional, and symbolic enough to match the energy of Victony, an artist who's rebuilt himself through resilience and evolution. But I didn't want this to be just another design tutorial. I wanted it to be a reminder that creativity has no rules. Whether you're on Photoshop or PixelLab, whether you're advanced or just starting, the real magic comes from imagining something no one else has seen yet, then figuring out how to bring it to life. That's where Gemini came in. Instead of building every element from scratch, I used AI to generate the raw materials, the drips, the textures, the typography. Not because AI replaces creativity, but because it accelerates it. It gives your ideas room to breathe. And once that idea took shape, it was time to turn imagination into design. This is the story of how it came together and how you can do it too. The first phase of this design began inside Gemini, long before PixelLab. Sometimes the fastest way to bring an idea to life is by generating the elements you need instead of struggling to create them from nothing. But here's the truth, AI doesn't replace creativity, you still have to supply the vision. For this artwork, I needed something bold and slightly chaotic, something that visually captured Victony's name. So inside Gemini, I generated three main assets: the dripping Victony text, the handwritten things text for contrast, and the 3D dripping V to serve as a central visual anchor. Each asset was exported as a transparent PNG so I could layer everything seamlessly later on. But this is the part most beginners overlook. Don't accept the first AI result you get. I refined colors, adjusted shapes, and used the hex code FF0000 to lock in the red theme that carries the emotion of the design. Little adjustments like these are what separate a random AI output from a cohesive piece of art. Once every asset matched the tone and story I wanted to tell, it was finally time to open PixelLab. PixelLab is where the entire concept transformed into visual storytelling. Beginners usually fear this stage, but once you understand the mindset behind design, everything becomes clearer. Design isn't about adding elements, it's about arranging meaning. I started with a 1023 x 1280 canvas. This tall frame instantly gave the artwork a strong poster-like identity. Then, I imported the main portrait, duplicated it, and flipped the copy vertically to create a mirror reflection. That reflection wasn't just aesthetic, it symbolized duality, growth, and the two sides of Victony's artistic journey. With the foundation set, I brought in the dripping Victony text, placing it confidently at the top. Below it, the handwritten things added movement and contrast, almost like a whisper under a shout. Then I centered the 3D dripping V, the heart of the entire layout. Every other element revolves around it. Next came the supporting visuals: birds, paint splatters, crosses. These weren't random decorations. Birds create motion. Crosses symbolize struggle and breakthrough. Splatter adds raw energy. Together, they guide the viewer's eyes through the composition. But the real secret to PixelLab is breathing room. Empty space is not wasted, it's oxygen for your design. I refined spacing, alignment, and layering until everything felt intentional and alive. Only when the composition felt balanced, not crowded, not empty, did I export the artwork. Lightroom is where the design stopped being a collection of elements and became a mood, an atmosphere. If PixelLab builds the structure, Lightroom brings the soul that holds everything together. First, I adjusted light. Shadows, +27, brought out details in the darker areas, while highlights, +12, softened the bright whites. This instantly balanced the mirrored portrait, making the two faces feel connected instead of competing. Then came color grading, the emotional core. I shifted the midtones towards cyan blue, adding a cool, reflective depth that balanced perfectly with the aggressive red from the dripping V. This contrast, cold versus warm, creates emotional tension that makes the artwork feel alive. Next, I added texture, +100, and grain, +64 amount, +25 size. Texture sharpens the edges, grain glues everything together like a film photograph. It removes that digital collage look and makes the design feel like a cohesive cinematic moment frozen in time. Finally, I pushed sharpening, plus 150 to make every detail hit harder on mobile screens. At this point, the artwork wasn't just edited, it was felt. That's when I knew it was ready. By the time I finished, something clicked. This wasn't just a tutorial, it was a lesson about creativity itself. People always think you need the best tools, the best training, or the best software. But what you really need is willingness. The willingness to try, to fail, to adjust, and to search for your own voice through design. This artwork reminded me of that, because every stage, Gemini, PixelLab, Lightroom, was a reminder that creativity grows with every attempt. You don't need a perfect setup. You don't need years of experience. You just need the courage to start and the patience to grow. And because I know how difficult those early steps can be, especially with color grading, I created a set of custom Lightroom presets inspired by this exact artwork. These aren't just filters, they're shortcuts to confidence. They help beginners achieve cinematic, professional results without struggling endlessly with sliders. If you've been watching this video, you've already seen what these presets can do. The depth, the tone, the mood, it's all built into them. They're designed to help you bring emotion into your edits, not just color. The link is in the description if you want to take your designs to that next level. But more importantly, keep creating, keep experimenting. Your journey matters. If you've stayed until now, thank you. I hope you walk away with more than a new skill. I hope you walk away with belief. Every designer you admire started where you are now, with uncertainty, with questions, with a dream bigger than their experience. But they kept going, and so can you. If this tutorial helped you, even in a small way, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'm building a community of creators who want to grow, learn, and push their limits together. And if you want your edits to carry the same cinematic tones you saw today, my Lightroom presets are waiting for you in the description. This is just the beginning. More design breakdowns, more storytelling tutorials, more inspiration. See you in the next video.